Hey guys, just a quick question from a recent live stream study session. Hope this helps you on your journey. Here is question number 1. Which of the following statements is not true with respect to using span for troubleshooting? This question must be hard. I haven't seen many answers come in. Tom took the first stab at it, going for A, and I will. So let's work through this together. Which of the following? Yeah. Oh yes. Chat your answers in if you think you got it. And by the way, there is no judgment here. I mean, we're all in this together. HK, I've got no clue, and he just passed his exam. I mean, there's just so much stuff. So we're all in this together. Here we go. So first off, what is span? Span is switch port analyzer. It is the ability for you to say, let's just say I've got a switch and I've got a whole bunch of ports, and I want to monitor those 3. So I want to see all that traffic. You would configure one of your ports as a span port. So that's span. Our span, by the way, you'll see that as well on a lot of the I won't say a lot. It's just a troubleshooting topic. RSpan allows you to monitor ports on a remote switch where it actually sends all that monitored traffic back to you so that you can watch what's going on without ever leaving the comfort of your cubicle, right? So that's what it is if you haven't heard of this before. So it's saying, okay, what is not true? The destination port, and that when it says destination port, that's talking about, you have these guys, those will be your source. That's what you are monitoring. You're looking at those with your analyzer. You'll have one port that is considered the destination port. And it says, okay, is it true or is it not true that a destination port can receive both normal traffic and monitored traffic? That is not true. Once you flip this over to a span port, switch port analyzer, it pretty much says, okay, you are no longer a production port. You're going to see the traffic from these ports. Let's see. By default, both and by the way, with these are Kaplan exams. One of the struggles you will have, and it's just hard. It is what it is. Is I think they don't tell you how many are actually right. So. But my theory from doing the last exam, I think if there's multiple answers, it'll say choose 2 or 3 or something like that, but we'll find out here. So let's look at the rest of these. By default, received and transmitted traffic is captured. Yes, so the way that you configure this is you go into global config mode and do monitor session, and you say, I want to watch, port X to Y, and you configure a monitor session. And if you don't specify RX or TX traffic, then both are captured. So that, I believe, if I'm remembering right, is actually true. So that's not right. So the command, oh, there we go. The command monitor session 55 source interface fast Ethernet 0/1, value 55 is the session number. Excuse me. That is true. So this is looking for what is not true. You can have a bunch of monitor sessions. The number really depends on your switch, how many your platform supports. The source port can also not be a destination port. That is true. You can't have your destination port also be one of the sources that are being monitored. So I'm going with A as the correct answer. Let's find out. Hey, there we go. There you go. So we've got and by the way, these explanations, if you don't have a CBT Nuggets subscription, get one.
Well, that's it. Stay tuned for more study session questions.